At least 8 people have died after severe flooding hit Cape Verde's Salvagente Island, overwhelming emergency services and cutting off roads. Torrential rains on Monday swept away vehicles and people, with 7 victims drowned and 1 electrocuted. 3 remain missing. The Red Cross reports 9 deaths and 1,500 displaced. Salvagente, which normally sees 116 millimeters of rain a year, experienced unprecedented downpours, causing widespread destruction in the Atlantic island nation of West Africa.